Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little puppy dog playing in the leaves. So I'm going to start by taking my black marker, and I am going to, well actually, I'll tell you my vision first. So we've got the little puppy dog's head here, his paws are coming out here like he's diving into the leaves, and the rest of his body is kind of up further than his head. And make sure you save room on the bottom here because that's where we're going to have a pile of leaves. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing his eyes. So 2 circles for the eyes, and I'm going to do a little circle there in the bottom, and we're going to color in the first part of the circle that we did. Okay, now he needs a triangle nose. So I'm going to put a little oval up top and then color in the rest of his nose. So that little oval up top is just like a little bit of shine hitting his nose, just a bit of a highlight. Now we're going to do a little bit of a wave. Okay, so it's a wavy shape. That's part of his mouth. And then we're going to have his tongue hanging out. So it's a bit of a silly shape. And then I'm going to put a line in the middle of it. And I'm going to make this part of his mouth come up a little bit further and curve it. Almost like, sort of like a little bit of a smile. Now I'm going to give him a little tooth, little triangle tooth. And next I'm going to get started on his ears. So his ears are going to be flopping back in the wind because he's going so quick jumping into the leaves. So just floppy ears. Kind of the same shape as his tongue there. And I'm going to do some little floofy bits of fur. And same up top here on his head. And then his other floppy ear. Oh, and I'm going to do an oval here under both eyes, because that's going to be kind of like blushy marks on his cheek. I think it's going to be pretty cute. Okay, some more little floofs. And then come on down a little bit and connect it to the face. And I'm going to do a line like that and give him another little tooth. And see how we just finished up the bottom of his mouth there, and we connected it to the side of his face. So I'm going to color in the rest of his mouth here. Just coloring it in black. And we got his two little teeth there. Okay, and I'm gonna give him a bit more floof. Just some fluffy bits of fur. Alrighty, so next I'm gonna draw his little puppy dog bum up in the air. Okay, so we just got a curve and it's connecting here. And we're connecting his back to the back of his head, and we're going to do a little line like this. It's a bit of a funny shape. So that's his back leg. Okay, and now we've got a little tail. I'm gonna add some fluff to it, and another back leg. And we're going to bring that leg up a little bit and draw in the belly. And now I'm bringing down the arm, or front legs, and this line here. Now we're going to do a paw. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we're going to do another similar shape over here. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to connect it. And we're going to do a circle inside. And we're going to do a little circle here in the back on his little foot, both little feet. Okay, and I'm going to do a little teeny tiny circle. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And same up here. 1, 2, 1, 2. But you can't really see because of the angle that he's jumping into the leaf. Okay, so next I'm going to draw a few little leaf shapes. So it doesn't have to be anything perfect, just little bits and pieces here and there. Almost like, kind of like the shape of a lemon. And they can be different sizes, they can be different shapes, that's totally okay. Okay, and I'm going to do a pile here. Just all kinds of leaves all over the place. This may take a little while, so we might speed up this little part of me drawing a pile of leaves. All right, so now it's time to add some color. So for the leaves, I'm going to use all kinds of nice fall colors. I'm going to use like a maroon color, a nice red. I'm going to use 2 different oranges, and I'm going to use a yellow, and I'm also going to use a brown and a dark green. So we got a ton of different colors for our leaves. So might speed up this part too. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of our cute little puppy jumping into the leaves. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.